Hey, good morning, happy Wednesday, happy day before Thanksgiving. First of all, I want to send love to the troops. I know you can't be home unless you can. Hey, happy holiday, happy Thanksgiving to those who had birthdays yesterday. If I didn't post a happy birthday, I'm posting it today in the sense of happy belated birthday. And to those that have a birthday today, happy birthday today. I know you guys are going to probably be on the road in prep mode, which we're going to be, to get ready for the big holiday. So I'm making this quick. Have a great day. Have a wonderful holiday. To those up there, we miss you, we love you, and we always honor you. And just take care of yourselves and be thankful for just being together with family or friends or anything. And don't forget those that don't have. And, you know, if you can volunteer at a soup kitchen, go ahead, please. They welcome it. They need it. And just, that was my finger right there. Hi. Have a good one, guys.